How's it going, Stephanie? Orlando Gonzalez with Soaring SEO. We spoke on the phone yesterday, so I appreciate you clicking on this video. In this video, I simply just want to show you three things that you guys can implement yourself to get you guys more customers through the door. Now, you're probably asking why, right? The reason being is most business owners are simply too busy to come in here, do the research on the internet to see how it truly impacts the growth of a business. And I've seen that even when they go to outsource this kind of stuff, they hesitate because they don't know who the expert is and who isn't. Everybody kind of claims to be the expert nowadays. So it makes it really hard to hire somebody. And I've seen that by giving a video like this, a step by step, and some tips and tricks that you guys can implement yourself, has resulted in some of these companies coming back and saying, "Hey, you know what, Orlando, we'd like to work with you." So, Stephanie, if by the end of this video you like what you heard and you believe we have plenty of tricks up our sleeves that can really benefit your team, send me a message and we'll chat. Or if you simply, like I said, just want to implement these things yourself and do all these tips and tricks yourself, that is absolutely fine with me. All I ask for is a review on how I did on this video. So, Stephanie, let's get right into it. The three things that I want to talk about is content, citation, and backlinks. First thing is content. Content is everything for Google. Content, content, content. Like they say, content is king, and they want to see plenty of it. What we've seen on that first page of all the websites, or the average of the websites that are on that first page of Google search for any relevant search, is about 1,500 to 2,000 words. So if we come in here, and this is going to be including pictures and videos, so anything that you see around here, what you're naming your pictures as and what's behind those pictures are really going to have a lot to do with the content. Google really doesn't care what it looks like, even though you guys do have a good looking website. It doesn't care what you have on there. All it cares about is what kind of content you have. So if we come in here to word count, we're going to come in here to look at, you have 790 words. So so you want to get close to that 1,500 to 2,000 mark. With you guys being an HVAC company and a plumbing company, it would be very easy. The way you guys have it here, you can see all the services that you guys do provide, but just go into a little bit more detail. And the major key that plays an effect on this is the keywords that you guys are putting in there. So when you guys are adding in your all your content and adding up all the services and adding the services that you guys do provide, I would just go in there, and the same thing with pictures. So if we come in here and save image as, you can see that it's just named at random. So what you really want to do is a keyword or a key phrase. Now, if you're asking yourself what is a keyword or key phrase, it's simply something that somebody types into this search bar here. So for example, I use this furnace repair Castle Rock as a keyword phrase to look up, and that's getting 40 searches every single month. So by you guys not being on this first page, you guys would be missing out on a lot of potential clients that are looking for your service. So we come in here and try to look for that in your website. It's nowhere to be found. So when you're adding in that new content, I would go ahead and add that in there a couple times, especially with the times changing right now. Um, Furnace repairs are going to be the next call and the next thing that everybody's going to be looking for. So I would really put that in there a couple times, even name it maybe a couple pictures in there. And like I said, it's going to be with every single image and so you can see here, plumbing emergencies, just named at random. Every picture and every video, what they're named as and what's behind them is going to really play a crucial part in that. The second thing that I want to get into here is this map area. This is where a lot of your clicks are going to come in. A lot of the time that people are going to come in here to search for furnace repair Castle Rock, there's going to be the first couple companies that are going to come in here and look at and click on. So this area here is Google My Business or Google Map Pack, whichever one you want to call it. And this is where citations come in. All a citation is the name of your company, the address, and the phone number. So you're trying to get your citation, your information, in as many directories as possible. Some examples of this would be like Yellow Page, Yelp, Facebook, LinkedIn. All those would be some of those bigger platforms that you can go ahead and put on your citation on there. But the big thing is you want to look at what your competition has. So what Nitech, what Castle Rock Heating and Air, what Nash Furnace Repair Castle Rock has, what citations they have on there, because obviously the citations that they have on theirs is good enough to rank them on this first page, so they're going to be good enough for you. So this is where this kind of plays a part. This is one of the apps or one of the tools that I use. It's called Ahrefs, Ahrefs, and you can come in here and grab this. It is a couple $100 a month, but it's a great tool to kind of show you exactly what's working for you guys and what's not. So if we come in here and we check out what they have going on, this is going to play a crucial part in how you really stack up against your competition. So if you can see, you got 68 referring domains bringing in 718 backlinks, and we'll talk about backlinks here in a second. And you have 151 keywords that you're getting found for on this. So it's not bad, but you compared to your competition, so say like Nitec, I want to go ahead and pick Nitec on there, and you can see their numbers are slightly differently, nothing crazy, and actually you guys actually have more backlinks than them, and I'll explain that here in a second. So this is where backlinks will come in. Here's this third area. Um, there's going to be a combination of all three with their content, citation, and backlinks. But your backlinks are going to play the biggest role. What you want to think of as a backlink is it's like a big popularity contest with Google. So you're trying to get site A, another website, to get you to site B, and site A is going to act like the link juice, like the power, and is going to give you the authority once the link is on their website going back to your home page or whatever page it is that you select. It's going to give you that authority. It's going to give you the power in Google's eyes. But this is where yours even comes in because you have more backlinks than your biggest competition. Now you're asking why, right? Why are they ranked up a lot higher even in this area? If I have more backlinks than them, this is where backlinks and citations aren't created equal. So a bad example that you don't want to go out and get is you don't want to go out and go get some backlinks from a Pizza Hut or a Domino's. So you guys do a good job for them. Maybe you guys do some maintenance for them, whatever the case is, and they give you guys a link back to your page saying you guys are a trustworthy place, you guys are a trustworthy HVAC company. It's not going to give you the authority and the power that per se maybe an adjacent company or a supply house or general contractors, whatever the case is, something that's relatable to HVAC, because Google in their eyes it needs to be relatable, so they knows that you're not in the pizza game, and knows that you're not a restaurant, so it's not going to give you the authority and the power that it would have if per se, like I said, you were to go get a backlink from a general contractor, subcontractor, maybe something like that, that's relevant to your company, so Google sees that. And that's where that's going to play a big part. So how you guys have 718 backlinks and they only have 418, but they're obviously outranking you guys in every aspect, and that's just going back to that. They're not all created equal, so maybe there's a lot of them that you guys have that aren't necessarily related to your HVAC company. So if we come in here and look at what they got going on, what you want to do with your citation, your backlinks, and your keywords is you want to come in here and look at the competition, what they have, expertise.com, castlepinesconnection.com, Castle Rock Rugby, maybe not that one. That's just probably one of them that they've worked with nearby now. So all those that they have, it's good enough to rank them, so it's going to be good enough to rank you. And that's really what you want to do here, Stephanie, with all this is you want to go above and beyond what they have, and like how you guys already have more backlinks and more citations that they have. So it's just the quality of citation and backlinks. The people I know you guys, I know I saw a name, yeah. So your front seven marketing, they're just missing a couple details in there that even though they do have a lot of backlinks for you guys, they need to have the quality. And Stephanie, just a quick little recap on everything. Just content, about 1,500 words to 2,000 words in there. It's not going to be hard. Like I said, you guys are an HVAC company and a plumbing company. So just adding all the services that you guys provide, furnace add-ons, AC changeouts, furnace changeouts, whatever the case is, maintenance, whatever the case is, you guys do plumbing, drains, things like that of that nature. Um, Citations, name of your company, the address, phone number, getting as many Facebook, LinkedIn, Yahoo, Yelp, all those places would be very beneficial. But you want to look at what your competition has, see what they have, and go ahead and grab what they have and do a little bit beyond that. Because obviously, if it's good enough to rank them, it's going to be good enough to rank you. And that goes the same thing with your backlinks. With that, Stephanie, that kind of wraps everything up. Um, like I said before, you guys can go ahead and just implement these things. The faster you guys get going on this, the faster that you guys are going to get ranked. If not, if you guys want to save you guys some time and the hassle, give me a call, 719-924-7601. I look forward to speaking with you again, Stephanie. Have a good one.